Hello everyone, and welcome to another Hobby Hussy video. Today's video will be short and sweet. We are making some marshmallow fluff, and I start out with a cup of hot water, and I put in some Jello gelatin, and it is orange, and then I follow it with another half cup of water. Chill that for 15 minutes in the fridge, and then pull it out. And I put in a box of Godiva white chocolate pudding. And I really think this makes it. It's very hard to stir in though. But stir that up, and then we will chill it for another 15 minutes in the fridge. Take it out and fold in a tub of Cool Whip. And this is where it gets kind of creative. After you fold in the Cool Whip, I add in some little mandarin oranges that you buy in the little snack packs. And one of them had a seed, so I had to take it out. And put in some marshmallows. And I started with a cup, and then I started with a cup of pineapples as well. And those are pineapple tidbits. But I ended up adding a lot more marshmallows and a lot more pineapple because those are my favorite parts of these kind of salads. I call it marshmallow salad, but it's called marshmallow fluff, I think, in the real world. And stir it all together and refrigerate it for an hour or two, and then you can take it to your potluck. And that is it. Thank you for watching another Hobby Hussy video. Please like and subscribe for future videos.